Hey everybody, it's Chef Mark here. I'm just getting ready to go grocery shopping for our live cooking class entitled Cauliflower, Your New Kitchen Powerhouse. And we'll be cooking cauliflower 4 different ways to get 4 different textures out of there. And as a result, we'll have 4 different dishes that you can prep over the weekend and then just heat and grab and go over the week. So if you're thinking about joining class and you're like, oh, it might just be kind of too much overall, a little bit too much time, prep work, hassle, let me make this shopping step a little bit easier for you by showing you exactly what I'm going to grab and where I'm going to get each thing. Come on and join me inside and I'll show you what to get. I'm starting here at Trader Joe's and I'm going to get the majority of the things that I need here because I really love the intersection of price and quality. And I also like that the produce is by the individual item, not by the pound. So for example, cauliflower, our main ingredient, is going to be just by the item. So you can get a huge head of cauliflower for the exact same price as a small one. So let's head inside and I'll show you what to get. Okay, here's our main ingredient for class, $3 for 1 head of cauliflower. And of course you can get a little baby cauliflower for that price or a huge giant one for the same price. So get 2 really big ones. We're shooting for about 5 pounds total and that'll get us all the dishes we need. 1 package of fresh dill, 2 lemons. We only need 2 cloves of garlic, so if you have some on hand, that's good, but otherwise stock up here. 1 package of raw cashews. Miyoko's cultured vegan butter. This is the product that got me to go plant-based, so go ahead and pick this up here. It's the best vegan butter, period. We're gonna get brown sugar, and it's actually really important to have this be organic. I learned that non-organic sugar is sometimes processed with charred animal bones in order to refine it. So that's not what we want to have as part of our food process. So organic is gonna be the way to go. Turmeric is gonna give the color to our mac and cheese. Panko breadcrumbs are gonna go on top of our roasted cauliflower and our mac and cheese. And these are Japanese style. They're super crunchy and extra good. Nutritional yeast is a core ingredient in the vegan world. It gives a really good cheesy flavor, and this will be one of the main ingredients in our mac and cheese. Tomato paste, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and the fat that we buy is a big deal. So I'm getting avocado oil here. Comes from a whole food source. We're not using any heat or chemicals to extract it, and it's gonna be a much healthier fat for us to be putting into our body. If we are what we eat, we gotta use the right stuff. And we're actually gonna be using this for deep frying, but like I said, it's gonna be the right kind of fat to feel confident about putting into our bodies. And I'm here at Whole Foods, and I'm gonna pick up the remaining items that I couldn't grab at Trader Joe's. Let's head on in. All right, here's my favorite brand of oat milk. This is gonna be the base of our mac and cheese, so I like the full fat one. These are my 2 favorite brands of plant-based mayonnaise. As you can see, this one's a little bit less expensive. The Just is really delicious, so your call. Coconut milk. And Whole Foods doesn't carry my favorite hot sauce, which is Frank's, but they have this one here, and I just made sure to check to see if there was any sort of animal product in here, like butter or milk, and there's not. It's just oil, so this is a totally fine substitution here. Whole coriander seed here, and make sure not to get ground. This is gonna be for our pickled cauliflower, and we're kind of mimicking cucumber pickles, dill pickles, so go ahead and get this if you'd like. It's optional, but I think it's gonna make a big difference. Black peppercorns, also for our pickled cauliflower, so go ahead and grab the whole ones here, not ground black pepper. Dry mustard here, this is gonna be a cheesy flavor in our mac and cheese. Make sure not to get prepared mustard, like a liquid mustard. This ground mustard seed is gonna be the thing that gives us cheesy flavor compared to a mustardy sour flavor. Cornmeal and cornstarch. Cavatappi is my absolute favorite noodle shape for mac and cheese. It's a curly tube and it picks up the cheesy sauce super well. Of course, you could use other pasta shapes. This might not adhere to it as well, but it's up to you. This is my choice. And very basic distilled white vinegar. So that's it for now. Pretty straightforward. Hopefully mostly familiar ingredients that you've seen before. Nothing too crazy. Maybe something like the coriander seed, for example, might be new. If you take other cooking classes with me in the future, you might see the coriander seed pop up again. That's one of my favorite ingredients to work with, and it provides a ton of flavor to a lot of different cuisines around the world. That's shelf stable and will keep forever. So that's it for now. Hope to see you in class on Saturday and cook cauliflower with you a bunch of different ways to get lots of different flavors and textures out of there. Looking forward to seeing you. Bye.